Hello and thanks for checking out my video this week. The tune I played today is one called Mhór. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but this is kind of an air, a slow tune that I guess has meaning of fairies or a fairy background. I tried looking up to see what the translation was, and I got some mixed messages, either big fairy, small fairy, or the fairy hill or fairy mound. So I thought that was kind of interesting for this one. It definitely kind of has that magical sound to it. This tune I first heard when I was attending one of my local sessions here in my community. They just kind of played this one at the end of the night, and I don't know if it's just because it was one of my first sessions that I attended, or just the tune itself, but it kind of really hit home for me. I'm going to see, I did record a video. If I can put a little snippet here, and I'll try and blur it out so I don't show any faces, but just to show you what that was. Ever since I heard that, I really wanted to take a shot at this tune and try and learn it. And yeah, I picked it up just about 2 weeks ago and got it down and tried to record it today. So I think it turned out okay. I'm starting to get up to a point where I'm getting my pipes to kind of do what I'm hearing in my head and want them to do. But I still find sometimes I struggle with the squeaks and squawks and some octave jumps and drops and stuff. But that's just part of the territory of uilleann piping, and I'm going to try and learn to go a little bit easier on myself and accept those things. But yeah, sometimes it just takes a try or two before I get the tune to play how I want it. Yeah, thank you for checking this one out. I hope you don't mind. I tried something a little different. Someone had requested that I do try recording a video outside, which I did today. Thankfully, the weather cooperated. And I tried to add a little bit of cinematography and some video editing effects that I've been trying to work on. Hopefully it didn't take away from the video too much. If you enjoyed this, let me know. I might not be able to do many more outside videos. We're getting into our fall season here, so it is cooling down quite quickly outside here in Canada. But I'll definitely probably visit this idea again because I actually really had fun with it. So thanks again for checking out my video today, and I hope you have a great day and take care. Stay safe.